Man, what's good, YouTube? DeQuill back, give another video, man. I'm about to put y'all on with the sauce today, man. I'm about to get y'all right for 2025, bro. Everybody about to be rich 2025 after watching my videos, bro. We all about to be making money, bro. You feel me, though? Let's get straight into it, bro. You probably clicking on the video, man. How can I make money online, bro? How can I make money online easy without doing nothing, basically? Let me help y'all out. A good way I like to do mine is y'all want to download an app called TikTok. A lot of y'all know what the app called TikTok is, bro. Some people don't like it, bro. Some people think it's getting banned, bro. But this is probably one of the easiest way to make money. It is probably the easiest way to make money right now, bro. So going live on TikTok can make you just about 5,000 to 10,000 a month, bro. People don't even realize that just by going off live, not even being like fully like monetized or partner. And how you do that thing, you just need 1,000 followers. But I can help y'all contact y'all with a TikTok agency out there, man. Cause I got some accounts that can go live on like 300 followers too. So once you go live on TikTok, all you gotta do is really set up, bruh. You know, try to interact with your chat a little bit, bruh. And boom, you start getting paid that easy. You can literally be at your job on TikTok. I don't know, y'all. Some of y'all probably seen that. Some people been at their job, like with their phone down, bro, getting like paid through TikTok, bro. With all the gifts they sent, bro. And every gift they sent, y'all getting bread, bro. TikTok pays weekly too, so it's really nice, bro. Every Wednesday, I'm pretty sure you get paid on TikTok. Another way you can start making money is definitely, a lot of y'all be asking me, is starting your own YouTube channel. A YouTube channel, that's a little tricky. Making money on YouTube is a little tricky because there is a lot of steps. How to get monetized on YouTube, how to stay monetized, the RPM, the CPM, bro. What's like, what videos going viral, what's not, like. But definitely doing YouTube, bro, streaming, bro, is a good way to make money in 2025. How to stay on top of y'all game and get that back and get rich, bro. Because I know y'all on that money, and I help y'all out. When you're first starting your YouTube channel out, you're gonna find your niche. Basically, you wanna find your topic, what you wanna do. So if you wanna make sports edits, go look up the most like viral sports edits channel and try to like just do your research on them. Like, I'm not saying how to copy everything they do, but like use them as a resource, basically. You know what I'm saying? Use them as a resource. Or if you want to become an editor, you know what I'm saying? There's websites like Fiverr, you know what I'm saying? They hire editors all the time, bro. You literally can make money online being an editor, bro. You don't gotta show your face or nothing like that. If you don't want to show your face, it's cool. A lot of YouTube channels these days are blowing up. No face reveals. It's just straight content, bro. I know a lot of y'all be seeing like the IShowSpeed, the Kaisenat, the Drewski, like funny like memes like on their page. All that is, they're getting paid from their highlights, basically. Posting a lot of these streamers' content is why people are going viral too and making money. It's super easy. Or if you're at like a basketball game or a baseball game, literally all you have to do is record like what's happening. You know, find a catchy description, catchy title to put. Man, people can keep watching it, bro. And that's how you're gonna make money too. Make an easy passive income, bro. Just from YouTube. YouTube Shorts, I'd say the best way to make money fast is definitely, and grow your channel, is YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts is low-key risky though, because if you post a lot of YouTube Shorts, it won't do good for the long form videos. I'll try to help y'all, get y'all a little workaround, bro. And when you starting your YouTube channel out, don't just make one, make like 2 or 3. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know. You never know which one can blow up. A lot of people take too much time on just one channel when they can have 2 or 3. You know what I'm saying? You don't got to do as much crazy work, but imagine you got 3 channels out there. You know what I'm saying? That's 3 channels people want to see instead of just one. A lot of people struggle getting monetized on YouTube. The easiest way, I'd say, the way I did it, is streaming. Literally, you can do IRL streams, bro. You can do gaming streams, bro. It's really simple. I'm not gonna lie. Just really streaming. You don't gotta have the best setup or nothing. You can literally go live on your phone. A lot of people don't know that you can go live on your iPhone. That's what I do for a lot of my YouTube streams. You literally just set up your iPhone, just like a TikTok live. You can do the same thing for a YouTube live. They added a gifting system, man. You just go live on your YouTube and get watch hours there. That's how you get your 4,000 watch hours. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all gotta stay consistent though. Y'all want to make money, y'all want to make good money, y'all gotta stay consistent, bro. And make sure y'all block out the haters too. Never listen to the haters. Make sure you surround yourself in a circle of people only want to get you better, bro. I'm not gonna lie, for me personally, I do no partying, bro. I'm not no party person. I don't drink and I don't smoke. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me though. I'm not bashing anybody who does that, but that's just me. You want to surround yourself with people with the same goals as you, basically. Don't try to get after it. But yeah, the easy ways to make money online, go on viral, is literally if you like at the gym or somewhere with your friends, just record y'all playing one-on-one, or you know what I'm saying, record y'all just walking around, like funny moments or whatever, bro. Because those are the type of videos that blow up, and people don't even realize how easy it is to blow up. Like, if you go on my channel and you go on my shorts, you be like, some of your shorts is blowing up if you just watching basketball. Literally, you could blow up for watching basketball, somebody else doing something else. You don't even gotta do anything, bro. If you want to be a streamer and make money too, which is a good way to make money, but at the first, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a low-key tough trying to build an audience. But if you want to build a good way to build your audience, is definitely, like I said before, TikTok. So literally, you can record yourself playing a game or whatever your content is, record it, post it on TikTok, you know what I'm saying, and post it on YouTube too. Actually, hold on. Make a link tree with all your links. So make a link tree with your Instagram connected, your TikTok connected, YouTube, your other, just your social medias. So when they click that one link, it takes them to all the links. So it's a lot easier. Another good way to make money online is selling products, reselling, and dropshipping. That's a really good way right now. It was a good way during COVID too. It didn't die out, but it's still a good way to make money. Going on a Facebook Marketplace, really download the app, go check it out. I'm sure y'all probably got some shoes y'all haven't worn before, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe there's some shoes that's cheap, and you'd be like, oh, I can flip this. You know what I'm saying? You can cop the shoes, they can ship it, or you can go get it. You'd be like, oh, I can sell this to my friend for even more, and boom, you can make easy 20. A lot of people be seeing this day and age, a lot of 16, 17-year-old driving Corvettes, bro, very nice cars. They want to be like that too, man. I'm gonna help y'all out. As you're doing these things online, you want to stay consistent, bro. A lot of people, you might have days where nothing just works out, you know what I'm saying? You might go live with 0 viewers, bro. That's all right, bro. I have my days too with barely people in the stream. It's all right, bro. You got to be consistent every day. Because you never know what your breakthrough is finna be, bro. Especially making money online, bro, is really easy, bro. A lot of people want to figure out how to get rich, and they only got one source of income, bro. If you want to be rich this day and age, you got to figure out ways to make money in your sleep. That's the key factor right there. People don't even realize you want to make money in your sleep. You want to have, like, I'm going to say, especially being young, having multiple incomes in your sleep, making money in your sleep, bro, is a game changer, bro. That's a game changer. Because I started my own business when I was 15 years old. I have my own clothing brand. And there's ways I can help y'all out. I can make another video how to make your business online so you don't got to spend any money. Basically, how to make your own business for free, how to ship it without any money coming out of your account. There's a lot of ways you can do that. I can help y'all out if y'all want another video on that. But yeah, making your own. I don't really promote mine a lot because I want to focus more on YouTube and music. I'll get more into that later. But like, people don't even realize I went, you know what I'm saying, 2 years with no orders, bro. Just one. It was from my friend in my art class, bro. And if I would have quit, I would have never been here, bro. I make custom shoes and custom clothing. So if y'all want to cop, bro, link in bio, bro. You feel me? And another great way to make money in your sleep. You might not like this one, but it's making music. I'm trying to tell y'all, your music do not gotta be good for it to blow up and make money, bro. It do not gotta be good, bro. I'm very aware y'all definitely heard some tracks that blew up, and you telling me just got 1 million plays, and it sound like some boo-boo. But hey, you gonna find your audience some way, bro. The thing is, music doesn't have to be good to make money. That's the thing. People don't realize. Even if you got 3 listeners that listen to your tracks every day on repeat, bro, you still making money every time they listen to a track. So every time they go to the next track, you getting paid, bro, just like that. A good platform I use is what I use to distribute my music, if you want to be independent, you're not trying to get signed or nothing, not, you know what I'm saying, not trying to be like a no crazy artist, is DistroKid. I can help you. I can pin it in the bio or description. I can help you out. It's called DistroKid. And DistroKid literally distributes your music to every single platform, even TikTok. And even Roblox too. Like literally, you can literally make more. You can make a track, put it on DistroKid, and it just distributes out. Like you become an artist, all that stuff. And literally every time somebody listens to your track, somebody clicks on Apple Music, on Spotify, it's on their playlist. You getting paid from that in your sleep. Literally, you in your sleep, you getting paid. They just listen to you. You know what I'm saying? It don't gotta be nothing crazy, but you know what I'm saying? It don't gotta be nothing crazy like that. But making music, this day and age, you see a lot of people on TikTok blowing up. Most of these artists now that's blowing up are from TikTok too, which is crazy. And can it be just like y'all? Maybe one of y'all in the chat, bro. Y'all blow up off of TikTok. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. If you want to like start making music, I can help y'all with the production, all that good stuff, bro. If y'all got any questions, bro, don't be afraid to type in the comment section, bro. I'll try to respond to everybody, man. But yeah. So definitely, if you want to make music or if you want to make money in this generation, you gotta have multiple incomes, bro. Like good money, you know what I'm saying? While you sleep. If you want to be rich per se, you gotta have multiple incomes, you know what I'm saying? Multiple ways you can make money, not just one. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be successful in life, do the stuff you love to do. Do the stuff you love to do. You know what I'm saying? And if you like drawing, bruh, figure out a way you can make money off of drawing, bruh. That's how you become successful in life. If you get paid for doing the stuff you love, bruh, that's being successful. But you don't want to be making good money on a job you hate, or you're gonna hate your life, bruh. No fake, bruh. Because I have worked in the factory myself with 80-year-olds, but they just hated. They made good money, but they hated their lives, bruh. Because it just felt like they was selling their soul, bruh. So you want to do what you love, bruh. No cap. You want to do what you love. They wasn't 80 though. They was like 50, 60. But you know, y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. But yeah, bruh. Do what you love for sure, though, bruh. But definitely, a lot of people don't realize how much money y'all can make off of TikTok, bruh. TikTok, YouTube, you can even make money off of Snapchat. A lot of y'all be seeing on the like Explore Snapchat pages, they be posting a million snaps. But literally every time y'all click, like three snaps later, an ad pops up. That's them getting paid, bro. Basically, every time you see an ad, somebody's getting paid. And you know how YouTube got a million ads, bro. When you go on Snapchat, they got ads, bro. That means they getting paid, bro. Instagram now got like 50 ads when you be swiping on the reels, bro. But definitely, I say the last one, which I already kind of touched on before, is like being a content creator, basically. You know what I'm saying? You want to make money online, being a content creator, like posting your content is the best way to make money right now. So many people on YouTube is making millions of dollars, and on TikTok just being a content creator. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, I'm gonna do more videos like this. Being a content creator is the best way, but a lot of people struggle. A lot of people struggle with trying to find their niche. But I'll say the easiest way to pick your niche is pick something that you like to do. Literally, just pick something you like to do, bro. If you like going to the gym, bro, record yourself going. If you're scared to show your face, you don't gotta show your face. Just record yourself going to the gym, bro, and getting some shots up, bro. If you like lifting, record yourself lifting. You don't gotta be no big body talker, bro. You know what I'm saying? To blow up on YouTube, be a lifter, bro. You know what I'm saying? You wanna make money online, bro? It's a lot easier than people think, bro. Make sure, hey, I appreciate y'all being here, bro. But literally, I hope I put y'all on a little bit, helped y'all out, bro. I'm definitely do more like this, bro. I'm do more videos like this, try to help y'all out, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, bro. I'm out.